Panteg Car Show 2025. Have a little walk around and see what's here, shall we? Where are we going to start? This end by here? Yeah. There's a Rover there. Look, Rover P5. There's Rover there as well. So there's Jag for you. Nice car, isn't it? Old Wolseley. See the old plates on the front? Black. The condition of that one. Austin Agro. Seen that before, haven't you? We'll go over to that side now next. See them older cars there. Hillman Hunter. The 70s. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Morris. It's Morris Miners Rangers Club. Why have you got a coat and a hood up for? I'm not going to video you. That's where you belong, in the back of that. Don't know. The back of that Volvo. Come back up that side a little bit. Little Mini. You'd fit it there, wouldn't you? Perfect, wouldn't it? Mm-hmm. That for a Jag. Oh no. That's alright. Thought it wasn't recording. Little minivan, look at that. It's a Jag. I just told you. Look at that for Mini, look at that for a little engine. That is lovely, isn't it? I used to have one like that. I used to have a Mini Club in the estate I had. Similar to that, but the windows on the back. A very similar shape to that. Oh, look at that. It says hostel on the front, I'm not sure if it's a Mini Mocha or anything, but... one of the later Minis there from the 90s. Let's get across here for a minute. We caught that one last time, didn't we? The old American GMC, we caught it last time we was here, didn't we? Defenders. Why didn't you read them, do the commentary for me then? What do you reckon?
This is the better one.
It is, I agree with you.
This is much the better one.
Is it gone? Is it gone? Put it over the top, is it gone?
Yeah, you happy?
Is it gone?
Yeah, got it all. Let's come over this side now. There's a Lotus for you. Or Lotus. It's my favourite car. No, it's a Porsche 944. That's a car I'd like. Couldn't believe it. That's from the 80s, but it still looks modern today, doesn't it? It does, doesn't it? That doesn't look at a place on the road today, that doesn't.
Why is this here? This isn't 80.
I do think it's, in my opinion, it's probably the best shaped Porsche ever made. Audi, is that an Audi 80?
All the way down to my shoes, and there were little bits of mincemeat in the thread all the way down. The fan of
Triumphs.
the alternator, we didn't have a cover on it, so between the concrete and the fan was my leg, all the way down. So, yeah, that part. He can't fall off.
I can't say that, no comment.
So I had 3 miles to ride home on a push bike after that. And then I told my friend, the best bet, I got to the house and my cousin was there with her boyfriend, he was in the Navy. So he gave me a slug of rum. You know, he said, oh, this will help you. I said, you okay? Yeah, what do you have? I got out of it wet.
That's a nice one, isn't it? That is nice. I do like the Triumphs. I think it's something about the shape on them, isn't it? Right, let's go up the sides now. That's the Audi. That's the it's an Audi 100.
Only?
Maybe, maybe not.
Working on his house, isn't he?
So MG. MGB Roadster, Volkswagen Beetle, air-cooled engine in them.
Similar design. Everything was a similar design.
Hellwood Avenger Estate.
Wait, is that a real piece car?
Yeah, it's American.
No, there's people talking about it.
Oh, your tape playing. Bucks County Sheriff's Office. Jensen Interceptor. Now that is what you call a card. Look. And look at that. What do you think on that? What do you think on that?
Good.
isn't it? Talbot, London. Look at that. Gilbin. You see many of them round? Oh, look at that beauty next to it. Look at that. That is immaculate. Look at that. Come round a bit and take some photos. Get lost in. Oh, look at that little bug. Is that a bug? No, it's not a bug. Look at that. Saving money on tyres with that, look. 3 wheels. Thanks. Jag, yeah, another Jag. Old Dave, not Jag. Old Zodiac.
Norman, I'm going to let you out.
There's the bikes. Oh, the few cars are missed over there as well.
They're not a million miles away. It used to be they were away.
I knew you smell the food. Because I'm going to drive. He's shy. You missed a few cars over there, so we could do a cut through now in a minute. And then I'll get you some food. So get yourself a hot dog now, do you?
Don't worry. Are you having one?
I'll go over and film over there if you want.
Are you having one?
Yeah.
I'll buy you one if you're having one.
Nice Austin Healy.
Yeah, they were just, Japanese were just doing what they were doing. I got Japanese mate. Like this is a
I tell the same story. We only lived in the 60s, early 60s. Being Fairwater being built, big dials. Oh, there's lights on the road. One built.
XR3, XR3i. Another load test. Quite a few load tests here today. Oh yeah, I want my change, boy. You're not getting away with that. Yeah, good excuse.
Well, I can often, when I go down, I'm doing one thing.
Oh, right, that's a shame.
Should get around the food van, see what's there. If you want something, go and get it. You can have it if you want it. Okay, not bad, £5. That's coffee. Yeah, they are there. Do you want one? If you want one, you've got the money there, go and get one. You sure you don't want one? Go and get one, go on, there's no one there. Go and get yourself one. If someone's offering you the money, go and pay, go on. Go and get yourself one.
Anybody else want a photo taken?
Do you want to? Go on. Go on.
Mitch, you want to come in on the front?